So good morning, beautiful people. Oh, what happened? Okay. Good morning, beautiful people. Today we are going to transplant our Queensland blue pumpkin. So ito siya guys, na nasa pots. I-transplant ko ito sa soil guys, direct to the soil para magkaroon siya ng maraming hitik na bunga. Okay? So meron tayong cow manure dito at ito guys, nilagyan ko na ito ng blood and bone meal. It's an organic fertilizer. So ito, ano ko muna kailangan ko siyang, yung soil guys ay saturated para ano siya. Siya nga pala guys, ang ating potatoes ready for harvest na siya guys. Maybe next week mag-harvest na ako. Kasi doon din guys, nag-yellow na siya. So, i-transplant ko din yung isang pumpkin ko at saka doon. Yan lang, life lately, magta-transplant tayo ng pumpkin. Transplanting my Queensland blue pumpkin. I-saturate ko muna siya guys, then later, in an hour or two, i-transplant ko na itong pumpkin ko. Ito siya guys, in the big pots. Kailangan ko siyang i-transplant. So ito yung overall garden ko guys. Marami na akong pumpkin na namulaklak. So then we have our corn there. That's my corn. Look at guys. And our corn is 2 months old na. 2 months old na siya guys. So yes. And we have also our steak tomatoes. May bunga na siya guys, ang ating steak tomatoes. Okay. And yes, mga best friend, we also have sweet potatoes. Nasa big pots. Tinanim ko siya sa big pots. And ito din ang ating mga nasa pots. Yes guys. And we have also guys our eggplant. So siya nga pala ang ating eggplant guys. Ito yung ating eggplant. Ganda no. So nilagyan ko na siya ng sea salt. Sea salt is a liquid organic fertilizer guys na magpapataba at makakatulong din para sa kanyang flowerings. And at the same time guys, I also sprayed foliar, homemade foliar, ano ba yun? For flowering. So, support siya sa hitik na maraming flowers. Okay? Flowers. So, hopefully, ang ating mga eggplants, makapag-harvest tayo. And ang ating steak. Tomato beef steak. Tomato beef steak. Ito siya guys. So, look at guys ha. Tomato beef steak yan. Okay? Hopefully, darating yung mga bees dito guys. Para marami tayong, yung pumpkin natin guys. Namumulaklak na. Yes. Yun ang, then, in that raised beds guys, we have sweet potatoes din. Yan, sweet potatoes din yan guys ha. And sa kabilang, ito guys, one small raised beds ko na tinataniman ko siya ng sweet corn din, honey sweet corn, and that's 2 months old too. And in the other side as well, I have pumpkin, crown prince pumpkin guys. Yan. Okay? And yan ang aking garden. I have also a cactus. Yan. Yan ang aking garden. So, life lately guys, it's a holiday here. Wala akong trabaho for 4 weeks. So, pahinga muna. Naglilinis. But yesterday guys, and Saturday and Sunday, naglilinis ako ng house. So, I still have few income. But, okay. Happy. And that, yan guys, ay chayote ko or chukos. Yan. Yung chukos ko guys, it seems like they are combining with my pumpkin kasi yung raised beds kasi ito guys. Yan ang aking chukos and the other side my pumpkin. So nag-combine sila, so hopefully they are not fighting. so yan ang they're not fighting with each other. So then ating chukos. Mag-spray bukas, I'm gonna spray foliar, yung homemade foliar fertilizer ko guys, na a combination of brown sugar and popo and banana. So dami siyang bunga guys, but some of them they are yung ano ko, yung pumpkin ko, some of them they are burning from the heat of the sun. So yes. So yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, ready for harvest. Potatoes ko yan guys, ready for harvest. So possibly magkaroon tayo ng time tomorrow. And here also, that's my potatoes. Ito guys, dried na. Dyan din. So I will show you one of my pumpkin. Yan guys. Hello. Are we there yet? So hopefully mag-survive yan. Yes. And nandito na tayo sa inside of one. That's a pumpkin din guys, ni tinanim ko. I planted on a big wheel. I think that's a truck. Look at guys. Very nice, no? And that's my tomato plant too. Yes, nandito na tayo inside of my garden guys. Ipapakita ko na sa inyo lahat. Meron din akong honey sweet corn dyan. Dito din, honey sweet corn and a combination of eggplant. I still have eggplant in here on the soil, but seems like, I don't know, not liking or what. But I have my honey sweet corn here. Honey sweet corn. So yun ang ating honey sweet corn, popo, honey sweet corn, pumpkins. Yan. And here we go also our honey sweet corn. Yes. And yes. And I have also here my another pumpkin. And that's what I said to you guys, my sweet potatoes in big pots. Yan. Sweet potatoes yan guys. Yes. Nice guys, no? They're starting to, yan. So guys, by the way, please don't forget to subscribe to Love's channel, and if you haven't yet. And yes, my channel is composed of cooking and gardening, and that's my hobby. So yes, you. So this is also our canny lilies, nice flowers. Yes guys, that's my canny lilies. That's my, look at that guys. And this is my grapes. Okay. So thank you for watching everybody, and I hope you are happy watching my garden as well. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is T Love's channel. Have a lovely weekdays everybody. So I hope your Christmas is more merrier. So let us be happy and happy, okay?